Hello guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to edit images uploaded in Shopify. This is useful if you want your store to look more professional or better match your brand style. Now, if you want to edit the images in the store that you uploaded, whether it's your product photos or something else, it's very easy and you can do it directly inside your theme editor without needing extra tools. All we need to do is, of course, you need to be logged in. And once you are signed into your Shopify dashboard, click on Online Store on the left-hand side, like so. This is where all of your design and layout settings live, and it's going to bring you to this up page where you can see Themes, which controls how your store looks to customers. By default, it is Themes. You have a few options here: Themes, Pages, Preferences, but we're just going to stick with Themes since that's where image editing happens. And what we need to do next is click on Edit Theme, like so, to open the visual editor. And we are going to be brought to this editing screen where we could just pretty much edit anything we want, right? This is the main customization area for your store. So this is a photo technically, right? So if you want to click on this right, it's an image, right? Clicking it lets Shopify know you want to adjust image-specific settings. And there are many ways that we can go about things, right? We can change the position, top, center, bottom, space between, which affects how the image sits on the page. We can change the height, and we can change the padding, right? Padding controls the space around the image. There's a lot of things here, but this is probably not what you're looking for if your goal is to update product photos specifically. What you're looking for probably is going to be the product photos or product images. So how do we change them? Very easy. Scroll down. You're going to see your products here because this is going to be your home page pretty much, and click one of the products. So for example, this one. This is where your actual product image settings are controlled. Let's click it again. There you go. And we are going to be here, right? So click that again, highlight, make sure it's highlighted so the settings appear on the side. There are options here where you could actually change everything. You can change the corner radius, which affects how rounded the image edges are. You can change the padding, right? And you can also change the aspect ratio, which controls the shape of the image frame. So you can change for auto. This is auto, and it usually adapts best to different screen sizes. You can do portrait, right? It's going to change to portrait. You go to square, it's going to be square. If you go to landscape, it's going to be that, right? But again, depending on what you want and how your images were shot, we're going to go back to auto, because that's what makes this pop, especially for most stores. So that's pretty much how you edit any image that you've uploaded on your Shopify account or Shopify store. This works for homepage images, sections, and product images, depending on what you select. So pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you like it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon so you don't miss more Shopify tips. We'll see you on the next video.